Here's a very large antique pine wardrobe we have for sale, dating from around about 1900. So it's got the two big doors, and it's also got two drawers at the base, in the base. It's in really nice condition, having been stripped recently of its original paint. And you can see I'll show you the feet in a second. Some nice detail on the corners. And some nice big bun feet at the front, and then blocks at the back. And I think the drawers are running smoothly, they seem to be. I'll make sure they're all running smoothly. And currently just empty inside at the moment, apart from the original swinging hanging pegs, as you can see. So these are what people used to use in this one for hanging their clothes, and obviously I can remove these if necessary, and you can have a hanging rail at the top, or maybe you'd like me to put a shelf around about there with a hanging rail underneath, and you could possibly use these for hanging socks. Yeah, socks would be good, be perfect. This, the internal depth is 20.5 inches. The hanging space 20.5, so nice and deep for hanging big coats and suits and things. And it also totally dismantles for delivery, so it should go up any stairway, and I can come and usually deliver it and put it together for you. I do deliver to most areas of the country, just let me know where you are. And the code number is V0800G. The price is £1,000 as it is. It'll be £11.47 if you'd like me to wax it for you. That does include the price of a hanging rail. The height 78 inches. The width at the widest spot, which is at the top, is 62 inches. The depth at the deepest part, again at the top, is 25.5, and the internal depth 20.5.